Hello everyone and welcome to the Anti-Inflammation Kitchen. Today I'll be making a quick gluten-free, tomato-free bourbon chicken. I used to love the bourbon chicken in Panda Express, and now that I can't have it, might as well make it the way I like it. And these are the ingredients that I have in front of me today. So I got 2 pieces of chicken. I'm going to go ahead and cube them, cut them into pieces. Then I'm going to use some avocado oil to fry them. I'm going to use some salt and some pepper, half a tablespoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper. This is for the marination as well as for the frying. 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon for the marination and 1 for the frying. It's honey. I'm going to replace honey with sugar. So this is 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons depending on your liking. I'm going to use paprika for the marination. I also have some spicy powder you can use as well, but paprika will give this a nice red color. And use 2 tablespoons of a carrot. So in this way, my pureed carrot, I'm going to puree this, and this is going to be used to replace tomatoes. And use 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is good as well. I'm going to use half a cup of water. I'm going to use 1/3 of a cup of liquid aminos in replacement for soy sauce. And then I'm going to be using tapioca starch. 1 tablespoon of tapioca starch, and this is my replacement for cornstarch. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. First, I need to marinate the chicken. Okay, first I'm going to go ahead and cut the chicken into cube slices. Okay, so I got my chicken chopped up over here into pieces. In my marination before, I forgot to mention lemon juice. You'll need some lemon juice for the acidity, and so I'm going to go ahead and add this. But first I'm going to put a little bit of salt, some pepper, paprika, a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and some lemon juice. I'm going to put about a tablespoon of lemon juice. Okay, so I went ahead and I got my carrot peeled, and I'm going to just use half of the carrot, so this much, which is equal to 2 tablespoons. So I'm going to keep that to the side. I'm going to go ahead and put this in the blender. I just blitz it for a little while. Okay, but 2 tablespoons of carrot puree. Okay, then I got 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, or apple cider vinegar will work just fine as well. Okay, 1/3 of a cup of liquid aminos. Okay, I'm also going to use a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and use a tablespoon of tapioca starch. You can use cornstarch as well. Okay, I got my pot here. The gas is on low, and I'm going to go ahead and put some oil in it. Okay, I'm going to just slightly fry this for 5 minutes. Okay, it's been 5 minutes and it's been cooking. So now I'm just going to go ahead and cover this for a little while, for another 5 minutes. And then I'll add the sauce to it. Okay, now that it's been 10 minutes in total, I remove the lid and I'm adding the sauce to it. just remove the lid and it smells so good. And look how the gravy is thickened up already. Remember, in place of, if you don't have cornstarch, if you can't use cornstarch, tapioca starch is the way to go. Okay, now it's done. I put this in a bowl and I put some coriander leaves around it as well. Okay, now it's time to taste this. Okay, let me take and the gravy. I want to taste the gravy mainly. It's so nice and thick. Oh wow, it's so good. The chicken is nice and soft too. It's really good. I think with this, I don't feel like I'm gonna miss any of Panda's bourbon chicken anymore. And you know, this is also perfect for any family gatherings, parties. You can have this with rice, and it's fast and easy to make. Thank you for watching this, guys. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more gluten-free, dairy-free, and tomato-free recipes. Have a great day, guys.